Is everything alright? Okay, everything is alright. So, yeah, let's walk then. We have quite a lot of things to do today, actually. Recently, I will remind you, we completed our wonderful timeline here, and it sort of works, and time is sort of flowing, and everything looks wonderful, right? And the bar is filling on the top, right? So yeah, that's it. That's what we did tomorrow. Okay, so today, what I will be doing is what we will be doing is trying to make player projects so that solutions can be locked, solutions can be unlocked when you reach a certain stage, and that's it. And so then you need to upgrade them and so on and so forth. All this fun decision based stuff. Okay, so now, let's start with locking and unlocking, right? Let's go to our scripting and go to icon node. And here we will need one more flag. Is locked equals false. Okay. Now let's make some locked nodes, shall we? Here in economy, here. Let's see. I want my outlet to be locked. Or maybe other rect too. Let's actually see. Other rect. I want it to be locked. Maybe outrect too. Okay, outrect too. Outrect to be locked. Okay. So let's do this then. 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 Let's do this then And let's go to our scripting here. Node array. That is locked equals true. Okay. Now let's rearrange things a little bit so that our track 2 is the node that is unlockable, and it is not there on this at the start. Right, so let's do this. Okay. So now it will be saying that it is locked, but it doesn't really mean anything right now. Right? Okay. Something like this. Okay. So let's make it really locked, shall we? To make it locked, we need two things. We need not to display it on our link selector, on our node selector, and we need to what else? What else do we need? And we need to stop interacting with it, right? So let's see what kind of interactions are there. Here in category, all we need to do is to ensure that both I and K are not locked. K and end. Oh, actually, no, actually, everything is right. And K. Control C is what? if I no, okay, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now let's indent it. Indent left. No, indent right. Okay. Okay. That's it. Now if things are locked, you can't really the things are locked, you can't change the share of this no. Okay, great. Now let's test it actually. Now it shouldn't grow. And it doesn't grow. Green stuff uh, is not progressing. You see, there is no green stuff here. It is 0. Okay. Now what are we doing now? Now we need to exclude this from a link selector, from node selector here in diagram center. Let's see. Actually, I'm starting to feel really stupid now. This stuff surely should be a subfunction, and I'm not really going to mirror every changes I do there, so that they are mirrored perfectly. So let's link to selection. Yeah. Okay, and actually let's make it heavy. Okay, Control C, Control V, and I'm feeling stupid again. Sorry, I don't like feeling stupid. Okay, okay. Hmm. Actually, no. There there are Godot GDScript recommendations on how we should name functions. No. Okay. Lel. And this one will be C, Control V, Control V. Okay. So at least now it is somehow manageable. Okay. Now let's indent it left so that it doesn't look extremely weird. And let's do our if stuff. If node is correct. If not, alpha node is locked. Okay. And now let's indent everything. Okay. Everything is fine. Maybe. I haven't really tested it, so I don't know. Let's see. Okay, now alt-left is not listed, and everything seems like there is no alt-left. Okay, so alt-left is now officially invisible. Okay, so now what we should do, let's do the same stuff for category with DIY. Actually, actually all these functions, if I had a way to, you know, just store it somewhere and use it, because this is kind of annoying and I need to mirror these changes. Okay. But they are different classes and they uh, should be a little bit different. Otherwise it won't work. However, it does those two. Let's see. Category return one. Let's see here. No, no, no. Okay. Control V. And then right. Okay. And let's no. See. Okay. So now this shouldn't be a problem even for DIY node. Okay. Let's just check real quick if we. Okay, everything is right. Now, now. What is next on our agenda? Unlocking, right? Well, this is actually quite simple. I probably will do this. I probably will do unlocking here in Proto GUI for project. Okay. Yes. Current. Okay. Now the fun stuff. Because this will be really fun. I have thought about. I have been thinking about it all day actually, and yeah, that's part of the reason why I started to stream so late compared to my usual timing. Uh, so what we what we are actually going to do is we need an additional folder here. So let me do this real quick. Let's see, Godot script, and now we need a new folder. Godot script. Project version 3. Project version 3. Okay. Enter. This is an empty folder. Now, in order to do a project, we need several stuff. We need a development node, which will decide the cost for development. Then we need link to a bearer node and link to node itself. So three links here. We need three links in our project, and yeah. And also we need for each project I want to be able to script some stuff. So when you hit some versions, some things will happen, right? And this will be kind of tricky, but I bet we can do this. So now in our economy here, we obviously need to do some project initialization. Func project field, right? Okay. Now, func project fill. Let's see if let's see how it is. How it is more, sane. I would say this is the right word. What is the relatively sane way to add a project. So let's see. We need a project array, just like anything else. Okay. Equals array. Where? Oh, okay. So now project array append just like with all other stuff actually. Mm. Player project new. We don't really have this class yet, but we will soon have it. And what should we actually do? Let's start with name, right? Outrect2. This will be our name. What else do we need actually? Not really much if you think about this. We will have development and bearer nodes inside the usual roster here. We already have outrect2 bearer. We don't really have outrect2 development yet, but we will do it right away actually. Let's see. Outrect2. No. And for development nodes, they also will have an absolute size, because this is important. Okay. Let's see. Control C. Control V. No. Okay. Outrect2 dev. Great. Now, yeah, size will be right like 7. Okay, let's return here. Anything else we need to, anything else we need to do? It doesn't really seem so, right? We will find our bearer and ourselves on init of player project, and we also will find our versions on init on player project, and everything looks actually quite fine. And yeah, so everything we actually need is this name. That's great news. And why are you not happy? Oh, I know why you are not happy. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we actually can what we actually can do. We actually can unload some stuff into project, but to make it less messy. But well, okay. So let's go. Let's make our player project actually class, shall we? File new GDScript path script here file GD and player project GD open. Oh no, open. Yeah, open. Yeah, GDScript inherits object. This will be just an object. We don't need to have it as a node. Okay. Create. Now, it extends player project. It extends object. And actually we can just remove this stuff, and this doesn't matter because they extend object by default. Classes are extending object by default. We don't really have ready, and we don't really have anything. So let's just start scratch. Var node, no, not node. Okay, node, right? Because node from the capital N is a built-in class. We don't really want any naming conflict here. So var node, var barrier node var barrier node. What do you do? Okay, var barrier def node. Okay, and we will make fun image. Okay, and also we will need actually var upgrader. Okay, one function need. Let's see. Node for actually what we also should do is we need to give him a reference for site, because otherwise it will be separated and cannot, and we won't have a possibility to interact with the economy. Where is it? It is. Okay, so let's just for our need none and what else? Economy. Okay. Now none economy economy, and for and in economy node array let's see. If n equals name if n name equals name, then node close and okay Greek, and the same stuff all over again. Control V, name equals name plus barrier barrier node equals and Control C, Control V. No, no, let's do. Okay. Dev, dev node equals. Okay, that's it. Great. Now, uh, upgrader equals load. Uh, oh no, actually, then yeah, we need to do this in on it because this will be different for different nodes. Okay. Barrier. No, great. Upgrade equals load. Let's see. What should we load? What should we load? We should load something like this. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Where is it? Losing my stuff. Script. What is there? Project version 3. Project version 3. And then plus its name plus GB, and this is it. Okay, so some dynamical loading here, but it is only on init, so this is one-time thing. This is a one-time thing. Okay. Now, let's see where should we need. Okay, so let's do our upgrader stuff then. We need a new script. New GD script inherit object, but actually whatever. Okay, and empty bar. Project version please. Outlook 2. Outlook 2 GD. Open. Create. Okay. Now let's see. What should we need? War. War. Prototype cost. And this is important. That this is cost. Cost in contributions and not in anything else equals for example we will have 10 contributions to initialize this. Okay, and then we will just have func what function we need. Should we instantiate it? We probably should. I actually don't know if it will work if we not instantiate it. So func upgrade. Write project write project. Okay, then project well actually we probably should have an instance of it. But maybe not. Let's see. War version. Okay. Equals here. Actually, can be even -1. Okay. Now, this -1 bar tells next version of Schlimm. So let's see. Or outlet 2. Version code equals array. Actually, okay. And no, maybe 20, something like this. Let's have 3 versions, okay? Var contribution, var to next to next to next version. Yeah, I'm live pretty much. Let's see. Mm, fine. We should be live. Yeah. I'm working on RepoMaker, and it is a game about Okay, let me explain this a little bit. I have a GitHub repository, and I'm making a game. So, game is about 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 uh, about making things cheaper. Yeah, and this is it. So you are a guy. You're a guy who is working at some, mega corporation and so on. And what you are doing is you in your free time in the game develop some projects, right? Open source projects. And when you do your prototype, it have an impact on economy, and then you start to have extra contributors and so on and so forth, and the impact on economy is bigger. Then you go and do another project, and you need to do it strategically, to pick stuff. And the goal is to make cost down, and the end goal is to launch people to space so that they can autonomously live on asteroids and uh, and be free, basically, without need to pay for anything, because 3D printers and stuff, I saw you needs to resource utilization, and that's it. uh, mm, I haven't really played Clash of Clans. So I can't really compare. This is GD script. It is a native script for Godot engine, and I am using Godot engine 3.1. I have compiled it myself for my PC. This is straight from GitHub, but you can download a stable version on their site. Nothing nothing really exciting. It is a free and open source game engine, and GDScript is a Python-like script language that is natively accelerated in this engine. Okay. I'm not sure I'm real good, because I started this project 1 month ago, and yeah, maybe it is not the ace ace grade GD script that you are seeing here, especially when you loop through a loop through an array several times instead of doing this in one go, because I'm really lazy sometimes, and because I know that it is initialization and it will be played only one time. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Now on the progress side, we are now here. Yeah, by the way, here's the repository. I have a link to this on my Twitch channel, but because I restream this on YouTube, it doesn't really allow me to have a nice description. So here's the link, and this is an open repository. You can just have a look. You can clone it yourself, you can play with it if you want. And this is my progress here, and we are going towards our first prototype. It is not ready yet, but you can see that pretty much most of the work is done to date. Yeah, now we are actually making player projects, the stuff that player can work on. And yeah, and by the way, we have just made this. Okay, good luck. Okay, so now let me return to my stuff. Grader load. Yeah, so now to next version equals 0, to next version equals 0. On initialization we will need to upgrader. No, actually to next version equals upgrader version called right version calls. Yeah, actually it's this version calls. Version called 0. Okay, so now no. Yeah. Upgrade. Yeah. If version equals version equals 1. Version equals 1. Okay. If version equals Okay. Confusion. Confusion equals 0. Then uh, no, no, node is locked. Locked equals false. Okay, and then else else upgrader upgrade version upgrade self upgrade self. Okay. Okay. No, not. No, 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 no. Great. Anything else? Not really. But let's see if it is working, right? Let's see if it is working, because it might as well not. Match. Okay. One. Print upgraded to 1. Upgraded to 1. 2. Control C, Control V, upgraded to 2. Okay. Nice. But it is probably incorrect, so let's see. Match. Nothing here. Online logs. Let's see. Let's see this for a little bit. Godot. Oh no. Actually, we need to latest. Which is script. Okay. Okay. So here we will need some, match. Elif, well, match, C match here. Match expression. branch execution of a program. Which statement can be in other languages but offer some additional features. Okay, match X. Okay. Okay. So something interesting here. Okay. And this is just what? What you don't like? Okay, let's see. 6-1. Oh, I know what's going on. I know what's going on here. Okay, now everything should be fine. Okay. So yeah, here. Great, great, great. Upgrade or upgrade self. Version equals version plus 1. Yes, 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 self version. Okay. And then to next version. To next version equals greater version. C, Ctrl V. And here's the problem, because we don't really know. Okay, so we need actually version count. Well, actually no. But maybe we could do that. Yeah, actually we might wanna to. We might wanna to have a version count. Okay, let's not do it for now. If version is less than upgrader version costs, Control C, Control V. Okay, cost size. Okay. So what exactly should be a condition here? Let's think about this. The version force is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., right? And its size will be one more. So if we have a version 3 and it is a last version, okay, well, is maxed. Or is maxed. Version equals equals version size -1, then is maxed. So next equals true. Okay, then what? Okay, equals 1. So then next version, include the version 2. So that's one. Okay, wait. Naturally, we might wanna to introduce infinite versions right away. But for now, let's not do this. Our architecture actually allows for it, but let's not do this for now. Now let's just if okay. Okay. Indent left. Indent right. Okay. This should be it. this is maybe. Okay. So okay. Let's see whatever. Let's see whatever else we should do. Okay. Contributions, so we should zero five here. Okay. Contributions is 0. Okay, great. Great. What else should we do? We actually are we're actually nearing the end of this stuff, obviously, and we okay. So let's just test it, okay? Let's not uh, let's not make it too long. Just test it. Okay. Okay. This is quite easy. Control C. Control V. Player project. Player project. Okay. Load. Player project. GD. Okay. So let's look at this again. Okay, so it is kinda initiated, so no errors were in place. No errors were in place, and let's just test if 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 we can upgrade our stuff, right? So let's just do some testing here on economy unit. Project array of 0. Upgrade. Okay. Now it should unlock our stuff, right? Let's see. Oh, This is strange. Okay, let's see. Player project equals res script player project GD. Right? It should be there. Here in project field, project array, append. Oh, I know what's going on here. Let's do some project field. Okay. Let's comment this for the sake of it. People comment. See if we have any errors, and we do. We don't have project array. We do have project array. Oh. Let me see this. Oh yeah. Of course. Great. Project array append. Great. Okay. Now. Oh, I am screwing so hard. Excellent. I am screwing it so hard. Badly. Let's see. Okay. Now it should fix itself a little bit. Let's see again. Version cost. Oh, okay. I see it. I see it again. Okay. So great. Version costs from the capital C. Okay. Great. Let's do this again. This is interesting. So we do need to instantiate it, right? Okay. Yep. We do need to instantiate it, otherwise this won't work. Okay. Well, actually, let's just new. And here it is. Okay, let's see. Now everything should be fine, at least a little bit. Okay, debugging. Let's now go back to our code. I'm just, I don't really like an idea to have a separate class and its instance if we don't really have different, if the instance is only one, right? It's like double the memory, right? So this is not really good. Let's see. Let's increment this. Let's see if it. Okay, it can. And here also. Great. Now. Okay. Yeah. Great. So now it is in block. Okay, now let's see if we have this 2 times, right? We need to test multiple places. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay. Now we are updating it 3 times. And here in our track 2 GT, we do have 3. Okay. Okay. Let's test it. Let's do a test. Upgrade it to 1, upgrade it to 2. And here, see this? Yeah, everything is alright. Everything is alright. But what if we try to push the limit here? Control V. And it is properly kept. Okay. Everything is nice. Is nice. Is nice. Great. Now, when everything is nice, let's just do other stuff. First of all, let's by the way, how long have we for how long you have been streaming? Let's check this out. For nearly 2 hours, but okay, yes, I can do a little bit more. Okay, yes, 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 everything is yes. Now we need to do some dynamics here, right? But first, let us push. images. Let's see, we have a little bit of files added. We actually wanna save this. Then A A and then let's see, initial objects. No, actually no. Show player project. Okay. Now control O X. Wait. Push. Okay. And once again. Okay. Now let's continue our stuff. Maybe we need a proto GUI for projects, right? So let's do this. Let's at least start. Okay. Yeah. Let's make no stuff invisible. No. Let's make stuff invisible. Make stuff invisible. Think we don't need this anymore. Okay. We don't need node anymore. And we don't need diagram center anymore. Let's see. Nothing. Economy is initiated, but nothing more. Good stuff. Okay, now let's do a proto GUI for our project. So what I have in mind what do I have in mind? First of all, we will need some SVG importing, right? So we will need. Okay, let's first of all let me just uh, paint something, right? So that you have an idea what are we going to do here. Okay. What we are going to do here is every project will be represented by a circle. Will be represented by a circle, right? And when you click on the circle, there will be a thingy here, a menu here, with all sorts of stuff, right? So that is needed for management. Probably there will be some lines between nodes if one node is blocked by another node, but that's it. Okay, and on the top of this project will be some, icon, right? Different for each one. And when you click on this node, this thing comes by. But maybe when you hover, it also shows something. Something like this. Okay? Okay. So let's do it then. At least what I wanna do now is to hello Rider Mohammed. Sound is not good. Um, well, this is partly because I have quite a crappy mic here, and uh, actually what I am forced to do in order not to crackle all the time and things is I wrapped my mic with New Year red hat, the one with white fur and red fluffy stuff, like a Santa Claus. And yeah, I am using this as a noise dumper. Maybe sometime soon I will actually buy a better mic, and that would be great actually. So okay, what we need? What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? we need some stuff. First of all, let's do a master node for our new string. By the way, this is kind of an essential thing. It is always good to have master node to be in the root of your scene. I have a node to D here, you see it at the top, and it is apparent to all my buttons and stuff that you see. And here, this will be a root node for project management. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to add a new instance. Right? Right. We need to add a new instance of our... No, not this. This will be kind of hard to explain. The thing is that the button... Yeah, I remember this, but it is not weekend yet. You see, it is Friday now. Well, and I have a work to do. This probably will be in Sunday. Okay, so our button should have let's see, child node. Some button. Actually, we might wanna do how do you put it? How do you put it? I actually wanted to do it like we have with our diagram, so that there's an invisible texture layer there and stuff. But this is good when you don't try to make it editable in editor, right? So yeah, this is where it is. So let's see. Maybe we can do one script for all and then just attach them. Okay, I guess this should be it. We will make one script for all. So let's make another node. In mobile games, I don't really know, but the thing in Godot is that it can. Okay, let me show you a little bit. Here in export, here you see, you can easily port to iOS and to Android and to just HTML5, and this is quite easy, right? I actually my problem is that I have never used Unity because when I saw it, I thought that they're not really they do a little bit too aggressive marketing. You know, I don't like this stuff, and I really wanted to use an engine which is free and open source. And from what I know, it provides quite, I would say, it provides a nicer optimization hardware-wise than Unity in most cases. But I haven't really I haven't really compared it myself. You know. Unfortunately, wrong person to ask about this child node. So what we need to do here is to add a node, just a node 2D, right? And this will be our prototype button, but actually maybe just output. Okay. Where's the root? Here's the root of project management screen, and here's object 2. So let's do this. Okay, now in order for us to render anything, we actually wanna, well, it is not obligatory. I could just you know, use a button and that's it, but I want a little bit more control over this. So what we will do, we will attach a script here, and it will extend node 2D, and it will be in our script. But this won't be object 2, this will be just a project button. No, not actually. Project node GUI. Yeah, something. Project node representer. Okay, this is kind of a lengthy name. Open. Create. Great. Now let's move it a little bit. What we want to do here is we need to write a function ready, which will be called when our node 2D is entering their scene tree, right? And I of course forgot a func word. Okay, and now we will need our name. Okay, and the big thing about this is that you will need to edit this name from the editor. So let's see. Unfortunately I have forgotten how to export stuff. So let's revise this. And okay, no, let's actually inline that. sorry, I won't be able to see a chat for a moment. Okay, no. No, 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 no. We will need to export variables, and I actually forgot how to do this. Yes, export properties. Okay, let's see, registering an object, constants, yeah, properties. Okay, subject, yeah, dynamic casting, preferences, and nothing. Okay. 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 See you later then. It is really pretty similar to Python. But it is not really exactly about no about syntax itself, but rather about classes that there are. No, everything. So how to export variable? Maybe I can just do this, but similar. Yeah. Oh, okay. String. Now. Expected var already. Okay. Yeah, kind of. Close name. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay. So let's see if this is okay. Control S. Everything is saved now. Okay. Let's see if we are if we can edit our name in editor. No, this is a resource name. Okay. Yeah. Great. So here, you see, you can just export variables so that they are so that they are seen. But maybe not. No, this is bad. Let's see. This is bad because it actually creates some ambiguity, obviously. So let's see. Or something. Um, see. Okay. No, 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 not 3D, not 3D. Okay. Okay. So we do wanna uh, separate this from make them unique. Great. So let's see. Sure. Object 2. No, 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 no. Great. Okay. Okay. Everything is fine. Yeah, as you can see, it has some, funky function for displaying this node name. But okay. Great. Now let's go back here. On func ready, when it enters the scene, we will need to do two things. We will need to create polygon, and we will need to load and place an SVG. Okay. Place SVG. Place. Well, actually, just place texture button. Okay, and then we will need to do some interactivity, right? So let's begin with polygon. We will reuse our script for this, and this will be the script for this. Our script for this is polybutton proto here. Okay. We will need angle step from here. We will need what else? We will need section name. No, not this. We need some radius actually. Okay. Let's just copy this. Okay. And basically we will need all of this stuff, right? You can just copy this. Let's just Control C, Control V. Okay. Now start chunk will be not pi times, but okay. Zero. We kinda actually need this radius here. We actually need all of this stuff. But what we also need is is let me think about this. Name. Actually, okay. But maybe not. Maybe not actually. Let's just make it so that it will return as a polygon that it makes. Okay. Okay, here everything is alright. This shouldn't be here. Polygon. Okay. So now what we need to do, not this. We will actually have two polygons. That's why I'm, trying to make it reusable. We will need one polygon for the button itself and one polygon for anything else. So okay, var poly equals polygon 3 new. Okay, now now we will need polycolor polygon. Okay, then we will need to return poly. Actually poly a child alpha. But actually, well, okay, that would be. Actually, what we wanna do here also is have a z index. Right. Okay. And now let's see. Probably not. There's a function there, but show it below note, right? This might be useful. But okay. 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 But we don't really wanna our outline to go this way, right? So actually, let's just actually let's pull up front. I remember this is this was no actually no. Pop. Yeah, pop back, pop front. Here it is. Pop, pop front. Okay. Great. Great. Now for both polygon and outline, we will need to have a z index as z. Notice. Poly z index equals z outline the same for outline. Okay. Okay. Now this is great. And then we need to return poly. Poly. Let's return poly. Okay. Add child create a polygon. Great. Z1 radius equals actually not 100 but rather 50, maybe even 20. Okay. Great. This is it. Now place texture button. But actually let's just test it. before anything. Okay. Okay. Angle step. What else do we need? This is all, right? Okay. Eight. Great. 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 Now let's copy. Let's copy this from Polybutton. Okay. So, Control C. Okay. Okay. Great. Now what you say? Color. Okay. Polycolor. Okay. Now F5. And fade, fade, fade. Okay. Yeah. F5. Okay. Pull vector to array is cannot be popped front, right? Okay. Let's see what is there then. Pull vector to array. Append, insert, invert, remove, remove, remove element from the array by index. Remove 0. Okay, let's just remove 0. This should go. 0. Okay. Let's do this again. And yeah, we have our stuff again. Now let's make it a little bit smaller, because this is obviously too large. Okay. Far too large. Which then one. Okay. Okay, now this is normal size. It looks a little bit strange, but okay. I guess this is something with to do with anti-aliasing stuff. Okay, so this is kinda ideal style, right? Now let's make it not pink. Let's do it. Actually, I want it to be midnight blue. Yeah, probably. Hmm. Well, maybe just fade. Like a button. Okay, so now let's make another polygon. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this will be slightly larger, but with this looks like okay. This is kind of what we want. Okay. Uh, um, circle equals no, actually the body. Body equal this. Okay. Okay, but also we will need a progress bar. Progress bar. Progress circle even more. Okay. Now Now we need to go to node 2D and somehow connect it, right? No, actually, let us find a texture. We will need a texture, and yeah, this is it. We will need the texture button. Okay. Okay. Let's do some, basic stuff first. Let's make a folder, right? New folder. Node icons. Okay. Node icons. Okay. Now, node icons. Let's put some stuff. For example, let's see. Have artists here. We have feedback one SVG. Copy. Okay. And let's try to import this. Site. Our node icons. Okay. Great. Now let's see. Now let's see if we can. Actually, I wanna rename it. And okay. Let's change this. And yeah, we have this icon here, right? Okay. This is just example. I just don't wanna, draw something like that. Okay, now what we need to do is to um, have our texture on our node. Moreover, have our texture on a texture button, right? Okay, let's add some new texture button. Our texture layer. Okay. Now let's texture layer. Actually, okay, texture layer equals texture button new. Great. Okay. But maybe texture button. Yeah, texture button new. Okay. So now let's see into texture button classes. Okay. Texture normal, texture pressed, texture hover, texture disable, texture fog, and so on. So how do we load this? This is a resource, right? Data, plus alpha, direct. No, no, actually, not this. Okay, this is okay. This is already a texture, right? See, object 2 SVG. This is a texture, right? So this should be okay. Okay, so let's do this. This is a string texture. Okay, хорошо. Хорошо. Now, what we need here? What do we need here? We actually need to actually need to go at our diagram center and do this stuff, right? Control C, Control V. Let's do this. Paste. Okay. Now, what signals does it have? This texture button. This texture button. Signals. I need signals. Okay, it's okay, base button. Button down, button up. Okay. Control. Signals. Mouse entered. Mouse exited. Okay. So yeah, we will need this signal. Mouse entered. Mouse closed. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Ready. A child. Texture. Texture layer. Control C. Control V. Control V. Control V. Control V. Okay. Now radius. Radius equals 13. And here we will do this. Okay. Now let's see. If it will be 0, then texture button here, texture layer connect mouse centered, mouse centered, second mouse centered, mouse centered. Okay. Control C. Control V. Great. F. Okay. 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 On mouse enter, on mouse exit. Let's do this two functions real quick. On mouse enter. Fine. Okay. Great. Control C. Control V. Hi! Hi Oliver! How is it going? Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Okay. So, now what we should do? Now, we need to shade our polygon body, which is called body. Okay, so body color equals body color darkened silver shade, hover shade equals 0.5 darkened 0.5. Okay. Control C, Control V, Control. Okay. And probably this won't work, but let's see. Something bad is going on. Let's see our debugging. Error calling method from signal mouse entered. This is a little bit strange. Oh, I know what's going on here. Sorry about this. And it works. It seems like it works, right? I'm trying to understand whether it is going darker and darker over time. Something like this. It doesn't seem like that. Okay, this is great news. Okay. Now, texture layer. We will need actually to provide a texture on it. So let's see. actually were texture. No, actually, no, text. Okay, equals load. Okay, now let us see here in node icons. Copy path, paste. Okay. Great. Let's test it. Oh, no, actually, before we test it, let's update our texture layer. Texture normal. Okay. Equals text. Right. Okay. It is loaded, but it can't really, size itself well. It didn't. It really didn't. So let's see about this. Probably, stretch mode. Bounding rectangle, right? Default value of stretch of expand is false, right? Okay, I guess, but maybe we can just do this via texture itself. Draw rect. No, 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 no. We can't control its size. Yeah, this is it. We can't control its size, but we kind of can do it via the node itself. So let's do it then. Let's expand. Let's set expand true, and let's see if stretch scale, stretch tile, stretch keep, stretch scale. We need a stretch scale equals 0. Default is maybe 0. By the way, it should be updated here. Maybe I will contribute this. Okay. So let's see. In our project node representative. Let's see what we can do. Actually, let's start with doing this. Let's see. Oh, sorry about this. Okay. Nothing changed. But now we can actually texture layer, expand equals true. Let's see. And now it sorts of work. It sorts of works, right? Yeah. Brilliant. Okay. And if we do this, then it should be done. Yes. Okay. Now actually, Control C, Control V. Let's see what happens if we do 40 here. No, actually, because I really don't want us to have some rendering problems. Okay. And everything looks alright. Okay. Now let's delete this and let's do our progress, right? We need our progress to be going on this project. So for now, let's do this. Update economy here. And for p in project array array, okay, for p in project array, let's do this. P update. No, actually p tick. Okay. Now let's do this function here. So for now, this will be just a stub, but later on we will have some dynamics going on. So let's do this. No. Tick. Tick. And this will update our contributions, right? So contributions equals contributions plus 1. Just a stub. to test out our GUI. Now, okay, if if contributions is greater than the next version, Control upgrade, and then uh, actually upgrade and then contributions equals 0 again. Okay, and of course if not is max. Okay, let's see, indent right, great, great. Okay, I guess this should do. Let's copy this name here, and let's project name present. And now we will need to update ourselves, right? So we will need to connect to economy, and actually let's do this in a standard way. Diagram center here. Let's do this. No, actually, let's do this as speed control, unity curve. Okay. Yeah, like this. Control C. Great. Now, on our project not represent feature, let's do it as well. War economy. Okay. Okay. So now, we will need to actually find our project, right? So for economy, for NE, no, for PE economy array. Okay. If P name equals equals node name Okay, great. Then project project equals no, don't do this. Brick. Okay, everything is kind of nice. Now we should have our project, right? Now what we also should do here is we need to connect on some here. See, interesting. Okay, no. Okay, okay, on economy tick, right? Control C. Control V. Okay. Now we can do stuff on economy tick, and what we will do is we will update our progress circle here, right? If progress circle equals no, progress circle 3. Okay, now let's do our new progress circle. Control C. No. Control C. Control V. Then progress circle. Okay, equals create polygon. Radius. Actually, var bigger. No, actually, progress radius. Okay. Oh. No. Progress radius here. Then we will need to determine our stuff. Well, so start chunk will be 0, right? mm, 0, but finish angle won't be 0. Okay, won't be 0, won't be 0, and 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 this will be defined. And green, we will have a green covered circle. Okay, what's wrong with it? Okay, everything is nice. Now, pi times project contributions times project. I forgot it, and I forgot this again. I forgot this again. Next version. Control C. Okay. But actually 2. Okay. A child for the circle. Okay. Now this should be fun. Okay. Let's see how many problems we have now. Okay. Okay, let's see. Player project. How it is called? It is called name. Let's see. It just doesn't. Oh, okay. Outlet 2. Okay. Now you are officially Outlet 2. Great. Let's see. Okay, debugger. Errors. On économétique and product not representation picture. No. Let's see what is this. $37, right? No, actually not here. Here. Okay. So it is not going so well, right? Which is a little bit strange. C Z red. That's strange. What's going on here? Yeah, you can see that. Okay, okay, let's see. Focus red. Use 30. See now. No, still not. So what's going on here? Let's think about this. So do have we do have our project in place, but one the next version 10. Okay, okay, let's see. No, I don't understand why it doesn't create it. This is what we are thinking here. It is not created, you see. doesn't really matter, but let's see. Set a breakpoint here so we can see all you know, things. Okay, let's see. Self radius actually z0, radius 30. Why 30? Why 30? Oh, yeah, radius 30. Okay, let's. mm, okay, so what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? It doesn't. Oh, I guess I know what's going on. Let's see. Okay, now. Okay, yeah. Okay. However, I don't really understand why it's a finish rank 0 because it shouldn't be 0 actually. It should be 1, right? It should be 1. Okay. Okay. This is quite strange. It really should be 1, but for some reason it isn't. Yeah, for some reason the finish chunk is not what we want it to be. Let's do this again. Let's make sure. Yeah, finish chunk is not what we want it to be. Let's see. Okay, finish chunk 0. Why are you 0? Let's see. Project members contributions is 1. The next version is 0. What the hell is with you? What the heck is with you, guy? Contributions. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Contribs equals project contributions. Control C. Player project. Is it really contributions? Yes, they are really contributions. Something strange happens again. It does have everything that it needs in his memory, but for some unknown reason it can't really read it. Why? Why can't you read them? That's the question here. Contribs is 1, but the finish chunk is 0. How? Just how? Okay. Let's do it the long way. But I really start to, lose my temper here. What do next? Because this. Let's check this. Okay. Next is 10. Great. Now 2 times pi. Will you be please not be 0? Yes, it is not 0. But then when I do contributes to next, what the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? Why it is 0 now? Why? We are probably seeing a bug here. A very nasty one. And now finishing is not. But you know what? You know what is wrong with this? No, nothing is wrong with this. Okay, so just to make it clear, Godot does not like parentheses. Okay, I will file a report on this probably, because this is not normal. This is not normal. Okay, now let's unbreakpoint everything. By the way, let's see. Oh, we have 20 minutes left, so let's do at least something this time. Okay, so kinda nice. We just need this to be okay. Okay. Nice. Right, everything is nice. Okay, and now it is Max 5. Okay. So yeah, let's do something else in remaining 20 minutes. Let's do something else. Let's do something on click, right? Let's see. Let's make a new panel here. Actually, what we wanna do? before we go any further, node name here and yum plus great, just splendid. Let's see if everything all works. Yes, nothing is broken. Now now we will need a panel, one more panel, which will be activated on our button down, right? So let's make it. Actually, now that I'm thinking about this, I want to return this. To here. See if everything is broken. Nothing is broken. Okay. But now, if we do a panel here, Control K, and okay. Let's move this, and let it be like this. Okay. Let's make it also not so ugly. You know. Okay. Now, here in this panel, we will need to have tiles, panel, load, Starbucks here, open. Okay. Now, panel here. Start, panel here, load, press, open. Okay, something like this. Now let's see. Manager panel. Okay. This side. Okay. Now let's do some labels here, right? So first of all, add child node. Label. Okay. Here it is. Let's make name. Okay. No. Probably should have a different color. Okay. But actually, if we do control, no, 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 no. So, like this. Then we can probably no, not really. Okay. So as far as I know, we can have a master label. So let's see. Let's cancel. Let's replant this. Let's delete this. Okay. Now, if we add a child label here, okay. If we have a child label here with something going on here, then by the way, a little bit strange. Okay. Okay, so now if we change the font color here, let's see, right? No, 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 it doesn't. No, it doesn't. This is a little bit strange because it should work like that, but it apparently doesn't. But apparently it doesn't. Hmm. Okay, so maybe if we do node here and we return this stuff, then then we add it to the script. Do I want to go this far to make everything white? So we need to add an override. Let's try to attach a script to it. Let's just see what happens. On init, it it does the following. If you know about control, we can do overrides here. Overrides. Add color override. This is the function we want. So let's see. Color override, font color, color n, color n, white top. And let's see how it works. If it works. Okay. And it doesn't work. Font color. Yeah. Okay. I actually have done a little bit similar things in Polybutton Proto. Probably we did an override here. Don't wait a second. Probably doesn't work like this. But okay. Okay, whatever. How long do we have left? Well, actually, we have no time left. So, I guess we will call it a day here, and we will continue later. I guess it will be tomorrow. Okay? So, okay, let's just look at our stuff at the last time. Here it is, beautiful. And while you are happy with all this stuff, I will just cut you from the stream.